Here's how I made a Cowboy Texas breakfast sandwich.
I'm going to show you how to make 3 separate things that are amazing anytime, anywhere. First, potato latkes. I want you to grate those onions and cry. Cry.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
After my tears had finished coming down from my onions, I needed to peel my potatoes for my potato latkes. So I'm peeling them the old-fashioned way, and then it was time to grate it. You have to grate it quite quickly so that you can strain the water and that it doesn't get too soggy and doesn't go brown too quickly. So time is of the essence. Put that into the dish, and then it was time to add my onions with a little bit of salt. Once that was done, I wanted to just mix it all up so that we can get it onto our dishcloth and that I could get all the liquid out of it. You really do want to squeeze this as much as possible and get as much liquid out as possible. Then it was time to put it into my dish. I added 2 eggs. After that was some breadcrumbs, then some salt to flavor. You can also add some pepper if you'd like. Then it was time to mix it up. Once it was all mixed, I wanted to get my potato latkes into the shape I wanted them. You can have them small, medium or large. I like medium latkes, so I made them into the shape and it was onto a baking dish and they were ready to fry. Put my oil into my pot and I got it up to temperature. I like frying potato latkes from a cool oil and then get the oil hot while it's frying. So I added my potato latkes in and I let them go slowly. Once they were ready to turn, I turned them over. I don't like turning them over when they're fully crispy. I like turning it over a few times. As you'll see, I got them golden brown. They were crispy, crunchy and ready to go for our sandwich. After that, I wanted to make my smashed burger patties. I got them to about 150 gram balls. Once my hot skillet was ready, it was time to smash. I had made a mistake with this and it didn't smash so correctly, but I wanted to show you for the video. I added my salt, pepper and garlic powder, and when they were nice and crispy, I turned them over. They were still delicious even though I didn't get it perfect, but you'll see from the next one that I got the ball on its own and I smashed it with 2 tools and it was absolutely perfect. I got it nice and crispy on each side, added my salt, pepper and garlic powder, and these burger patties were ready to go. Next up was my cowboy butter. I added about 200 grams of butter to my pot and then I added some parsley, some chives and some garlic. After that, I added some freshly squeezed lemon juice that I got from my trees outside and I got that all mixed up. After that, I took it off the heat and I just folded in some Dijon mustard to get that in. Once that was done, it was time for some cayenne pepper and some paprika just to finish it off with a little bit of salt, and my cowboy butter was smelling incredible and it was ready for my sandwich. I wanted to get the perfectly fried eggs, so I wanted to take my time. One of these 4 eggs cracked, but whatever, it doesn't matter, we'll still eat it because I'm a fat Greek. So I started frying my eggs. We were all having sandwiches, myself, Jonty and Dylan, and we all wanted to have delicious eggs. So we put some salt, some pepper on, then we covered it up and it was time to build the sandwiches. Started off with mine, of course. We put some jalapeno garlic mayo on, then it was the burger patty. We wanted 2 slices of American cheese, a slice of turkey, our delicious potato latke, some lovely fresh ripe avocado with some salt, and then my deliciously fried egg finished off with cowboy butter. Man, oh man, this was insane!
Cheers, everybody. Cheers. This is my take on a cowboy breakfast sandwich. Thanks for watching, everybody, and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.